Hello, my name is Mike Hackley, and I'm a final month graduate student in the Business Intelligence Master's Program here at Full Sail University. Today, we'll be exploring my Capstone Data Informed Solution Plan prepared for Netflix. Netflix was founded in 1997 as an online alternative to brick-and-mortar video rental stores. In 1999, the unlimited DVD rental program was introduced. The following year saw the birth of the company's first DVD recommendation system. Netflix operates within the subscription video on demand industry, providing streaming media and gaming content to over 220 million subscribers in more than 190 countries around the world. Key competitors include Hulu, Disney Plus, HBO Max, and Apple TV. Netflix also competes with traditional cable networks as well. The political structures of developing markets such as India, China, and the Middle East require a significant amount of time and resources. Major competition from established brands like HBO Max and Hulu, alongside newcomers like Paramount Plus, add additional economic pressure to Netflix. Technology is the second largest expense after content licensing. While the cost of memory has decreased, the amount of data needed for the company has grown exponentially. Environmental impacts directly attributable to Netflix are relatively insignificant. However, there are growing concerns over safe mining efforts for the metals that are used in the technology that Netflix uses. There are many legal issues that arise for Netflix, but many of them pertain to intellectual property and piracy issues. In terms of strengths, deep understanding of subscriber data allow Netflix to accurately recommend movie and television shows that have an engagement accuracy of over 80%. Netflix also, from a weakness standpoint, has an inadequate cash flow, which can result in needing to take out extra loans whenever budgetary issues occur. In terms of opportunities, improvements in production costs and timelines can improve audience and confidence, as well as threats from increasing pressure from competition such as Amazon and HBO Go. These platforms will be increasing their spending to capture more market share through delivery of potentially more compelling audience engagements. The business intelligence solution is designed to centralize the data needed to optimize the marketing and production processes, which will increase subscribers and decrease production costs. The power of this solution is found in the integration of the existing robust tools that are already in production at Netflix. An additional scalable AWS S3 module will be partitioned and then customized using the Ablaze data visualization tools, which will allow us to create our stakeholder dashboards. Implementation is expected to be complete within 12 months, and this is based on a 3-person team programming to build the platform that is going to be maintained by the BI developer and the rest of the senior data team. The timeline will include months 1 through 3. This is when the senior data team will be meeting with the various stakeholders as well as the department heads to determine the scope of the data needs. Months 6 through 9, the 3-person programming team, in coordination with the BI developer, will begin building the production planning platform. And then finally, months 9 through 12 will see production and marketing coordinators trained in the new platform. When fully implemented, the proposed BI solution will allow production facilities to be able to be scheduled and staffed based on the data given from the needs of the production schedule. Also, this will provide a single source for data-driven knowledge when conducting media campaigns. The equipment required for this solution will be a newly created AWS S3 instance. Staffing will include a senior programmer along with 2 other programmers, a data scientist, a BI developer, a BI analyst, and a corporate trainer. Netflix is poised to be able to take full advantage of the internal data that already exists within its current data warehouse. Additionally, production data along with external sources will be required to maximize the benefits of this BI solution. The current AWS S3 system will allow for both internal and external data streams to be managed. Taking advantage of the S3 scalability will allow both static and streaming data to allow for maximum flexibility when adapting to the changing needs of the upcoming projects. The needs of this project require both qualitative as well as quantitative analysis. Social media posts, production coordinator surveys, staff and crew surveys will amount to some of the qualitative data that we will be looking at. And in terms of quantitative data, we will be looking at the number of staff and crew needed. We'll also be looking at the number of social media engagements, number of posts, likes, and things of that nature will fall under the quantitative analysis. To fully realize the benefits of this proposed solution, a daily highlights dashboard will be created to provide stakeholders with a snapshot of the previous day's data. Additional investments will be required for the infrastructure and database cost. In total, there will be an additional $94,250 in additional cost added to Netflix. Implementing this proposed solution will enable Netflix to realize additional revenues from both an improved efficiency as well as a centralized social media campaign effort. Doing so will increase viewership by 7% or an additional 21 billion hours. It's also going to reduce production costs by 10% for an annual savings of 2.2 billion. Building on the legacy of innovative thinking, Netflix is in position to once again revolutionize the entertainment industry. By controlling the entire narrative of the movies, television shows, and other content formats that have yet to be determined. Doing so will allow Netflix to be able to predict, narrate, produce, and deliver content that induces enhanced audience engagement more effectively at a reduced cost and a reduced time budget. Thank you for your time.